Strengthening Faith 91. I had a thought which I wanted to share. One of the most powerful signs which indicates the oneness of Allah, the Exalted, and His supreme power and authority over the creation, is experienced by most people irrespective of their faith or lack of it. When a person faces a genuine difficulty, which cannot be resolved by the means they possess or have access to, they often supplicate to one God, Allah, the Exalted. They do not even appeal to multiple gods, as their soul prevents them from doing so during their time of desperation. This is a reality which is often shown in movies and television shows, where a character, who does not even believe in a god, appeals to one god in their moment of need. As hard as movie producers have tried to belittle religion, this reality is still shown quite often in the movie industry. This innate desire to call on one God, Allah, the Exalted, in desperate times originates from one's soul. The soul which was once in the company of Allah, the Exalted, and testified to His Lordship, oneness and absolute control and power over all things. Chapter 7 Al-Araf, verse 172.
And mention, when your Lord took from the children of Adam from their loins their descendants and made them testify of themselves, saying to them, Am I not your Lord? They said, Yes, we have testified.
One should take heed of these moments, as it is a clear sign of the oneness of Allah, the Exalted. This heedfulness will encourage them to believe in Him, if they do not already, and it will encourage them to sincerely obey Him, by using the blessings He has granted them in ways pleasing to Him, as peace and a successful outcome lies in this. This is something one's soul testifies to, especially during times of difficulties. Chapter 10 Yunus, verse 22.
It is He who enables you to travel on land and sea, until when you are in ships and they sail with them won by a good wind and they rejoice therein, there comes a storm wind, and the waves come upon them from every place and they expect to be engulfed, they supplicate Allah, sincere to Him in religion, If you should save us from this, we will surely be among the thankful.
And chapter 41 Fussilat, verse 53.
We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.